Hey everyone! Want a Chrome search bar right on your desktop? Today I'll show you how to use Rainmeter and a custom skin to set it up. It's super easy and makes your desktop look and feel awesome. Let's jump in. Steps. Download and install Rainmeter. First, we need Rainmeter. Open your browser, search for Rainmeter, and head to their official website. Download and install it. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll skip this step, but you can get it done in no time. Next, download the Cypher Zerk skin for Rainmeter. I'll provide the link in the description so you can grab it easily. Once downloaded, install and apply the skin. Now, let's install and apply it. Right-click on the Rainmeter icon in your system tray, go to Skins, and find Cypher Search. Select it and choose Google Search. And just like that, the Chrome search bar is ready on your desktop. If you want, you can also add Reddit or YouTube search from the same menu. Just select them instead of Google. It's up to you. And that's it. You now have a sleek Chrome search bar on your desktop. Give it a try and let me know how it looks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more customization tutorials. See you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.